welcome back to another tutorial. Don't mind me. For these braids, I used the Darling Super Soft Braiding Air, and I cut. To do this style, I will be working in sections. Now I'm creating the first section, after which I will divide this section into 3 triangles by creating slant paths to the left and to the right. You'll see what I mean. Now you want to use any gel of your choice to knitting the parts. Whenever you make a part, you apply the gel to make this part sleek and neat. Here I use the Dark and Lovely Lace Jam gel, so that's what I applied to knitting my parts for the parts that I made. I really don't know how to explain how to grip the air, but I hope you get a full understanding as you watch. I'm going to do this several times so you can get a good grasp of how to grip the air and the attachments together. separate the section of hair that you're working with, and then you will attach a section each of your braiding hair to each of these sections, and then the other two sections of braiding hair would make the third strand of hair that you're going to be braiding together with the other two sections of your hair that has been mixed with the braiding hair. I hope it's clear. This is what the braids are looking like so far. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, join the family, this little growing family. Like also please, because it's going to help my video get across to more people. For the front section, I pretended as though I was creating box braids. Then I went ahead to create a diagonal part in each box braid section, in each square section, to give me two triangular sections each for each square or each box part. If that makes sense, you'll see what I did. And then I braided the hair. And also, to add some spice to this hair, I created some tiny plaits in between and grabbed the plaits with the other triangular sections. This is the finished look, guys. I just added edge controls to make slick down the edges, and then I put the braids into hot water. I lost that part of the footage, and then after which I used the blow dryer to dry out the wetness in the air from the hot water, and then added foaming mousse to the hair, accessorized the braids, and that is it, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle. Are you going to be trying it? Are you going to be showing this to your hairdresser to do this for you? Let me know. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be leaving links to my previous videos so you can watch. Please help share my video with those people you think might benefit from it. Share with your families and friends. Please, please, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.